Hi, welcome to Word Work, where we put words to work, word by word. In this video, you will learn some words related to one occupation. Here are the words to learn. Computer technician, bills, desktop, computer case, hard drive, motherboard, memory card, software, keyboard, repairs, laptop, monitor. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do. Click the notification bell so that you will be notified when there's a new video posted. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Now learn to use each word in a sentence. Gail is a computer technician. Gail builds and repairs computers. Gail works on a desktop computer. Gail checks the computer case. Gail installs a hard drive. Gail puts in a motherboard. Gail inserts a memory card. Gail installs software on a computer. Gail cleans a keyboard. Gail repairs a laptop. Gail repairs a monitor. If you want to continue improving your reading and writing and gain more confidence, then don't forget, subscribe.